Hey, good, super excited. You're welcome to another amazing ITC session. And when I do an update on this, I'd like you guys to know the next movement, what the market has the potential to do. And with this, no matter your strategy, you can position your strategy to sell or buy at those places like you're good to go. So for Euro AUD, I've been looking at this pair for almost a month plus right now. We've been waiting for the right reversal that we can get to be able to partake in this move. So get ready, make sure you watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe to this video, to this channel, so that in the next video, when we pull out this kind of information, you will not miss out on it. So my eye has been on Euro AUD, and what are we looking out for? You'll agree with me that when the market cleared off this level, when it cleared off this level, the market moved down and never broke above this zone. So because it never broke above this zone, that means that this has the potential to sell. So if you come to 3 months, you see that it reacted to this rally-based drop, that means that the 3-month supply is currently in control. Now, if you also zoom in, you would see that you also have a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. So this is drop, rise, drop. Okay. So having established that, you would notice that there is a rally-based drop here. Good. So on this rally-based drop, if you go on the 3-month chart, that is where we're going to be looking for a sell. Now, if you go deeper to monthly, you will see that also there is a rally-based drop here also. Okay, but to enjoy the full move, I'm going to be giving us these case studies on weekly. So on weekly, we have a what? We have a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. Then this gave us a double bottom for retail traders, liquidity for smart money concept traders. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be looking at to what? To look for a sell on this particular trade. I'm going to be looking at selling on this rally-based drop. Good, and I'm also going to be looking at a sell at this flip zone. Okay, at this flip zone. So my main sell will be here. Okay, my main sell will be here on this supply zone, and there could also be a retracement here too at these 2 zones. Okay, so we could get a short retracement here, drop, then go back, then drop. So this is what we're looking out for Euro AUD. So if you also bring in your trend line, you see that we have a potential reversal here. So if it breaks this zone, come up here, we're good to go. Very, very good to go. So I prefer my sell at this zone and also here at this zone. So no matter the strategy you're using, you can use this to look out for this. And when it comes in here, we're going to be looking for a short entry on lower time frame. And when it breaks through, that means that we are coming. Okay, so this is more of my 80% entry. Okay, this is more of a 40% chance entry. Okay, good. The same way we had this flip zone, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We had this flip zone that worked, and this flip zone delivered 1,063 pips, and that's about 9 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was what this cell delivered. Okay, so we can also get that rejection at this zone if possible, or it breaks through to this place, and we're good to go. Now, when it comes here, you go to your lower time frame. You go to your lower time frame, then you allow the market drop. You keep dropping, you keep selling, so you're good to go. So what will be our take profit if this trade triggers? If this trade triggers, our take profit will be the extension of this trade. And that will be at this level. We're taking some partials at this level. Are we taking some partials at this level? Then I'll leave the rest to this zone. Okay, I'll leave the rest to this zone. So this is how I catch up with trades like this, and we're good to go. So we're trading with the trend. Number one, we're trading with the institution. We're also going to be holding the trade as long as the institutions are holding it. So just keep waiting, looking for the sell opportunity, and we're good to go. But if you go to daily, I know some of you, you're like, okay, can't I sell off? Can't I buy here? Now, if you do any buying right now, it's against the trend. And you want to be very, very careful if you're trading against the trend. If you cannot avoid trading against the trend, you want to reduce your risk and you're good to go. So this is what I have for you guys on Euro AUD with the ITC, Institutional Trading Concept Strategy. I'm going to be good to go. Don't forget, don't put pending order. We don't use pending order here. Okay, we don't trade pending order. We have our own entry strategy, and that is what I expect you to go in here. So if you're using a chart pattern, look for chart pattern around these two zones. If you're using stochastics, RSI, any of them, Ichimoku, anyone you're using, you use those entry strategies here. Okay, because if you put in your trade here right now, you're going to be risking about 140 pips, and that is against my standard. Okay, this is 350 pips. That is against my standard. Okay, so you want to take in this kind of trade and catch up as much as you can. And the best you can do is to find a way to reduce your risk and you're good to go. So I'll see you guys in the next move videos and we're good to go. Have a pleasant day. Talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.